Alright, here's the spelling words for this week. The first word is judge. You spell it J-U-D-G-E. And if you break it apart, it would be J, it would be the U. Then the D-G-E spells J. Number 2 is direction. It's D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. The die is D-I. Rec, R-E-C. And shun is spelled T-I-O-N. Direction. Next one is surprise. It's S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. And if you break it apart, you have sir, S-U-R-I-P-R-I, then S-E. Then we have question, Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. We have qu, spelled Q-U, S spelled E-S, and then shun, spelled S-T-I-O-N. Then we have this number 5 is opinion. It's O-P-I-N-I-O-N. It's O spelled with the O. Pin, P-I-N. Un or yun, I-O-N. Then we have unbreakable for number 6. Sorry, it's breakable. It's B-R-E-A-K-A-B-L-E. B-R-E-A-K spells break. Spells and then bull, B-L-E. Breakable. Next one, number 7 is dishonest. D-I-S-H-O-N-E-S-T. Dis, D-I-S, un, H-O-N-est, E-S-T. Dishonest. Number 8 is laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. We have laugh, L-A-U-G-H, and then the E-D to make it past tense is ed, laughed. But we don't say laughed, we just say laughed. Then we have prettiest, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-S-T. Pret, P-R-E-T, and then T-T-I, then est, E-S-T. Pret, T-est, prettiest. And we have running for number 10. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. It's run. I put the 2 N's together, and then ing, I-N-G. So running. And that